M7 Managed Services is an IT services company based here in South Wales. We specialise in the provision of cloud services, hosting applications and providing solutions such as data vaulting, disaster recovery, all based out of the data centre here in Nantgarrow in Rhondda Cynon. We teamed up with Software Alliance Wales quite early in the programme, in fact before the formal launch last year, because we recognised the issues that they were attempting to address within the project looked like something that we wanted to be involved with. And through that we then became aware of the certification scheme. The scheme appealed to us on a number of levels. We were experiencing an increased market demand for our services where requirements were becoming more complex. So ensuring our processes were in place and robust enough to meet this demand was an important factor. We had been considering other quality certifications such as ISO 9000 or implementing ITIL, but we didn't feel they were appropriate for a business our size. Another factor for considering Accredit UK was the range of IT specialisms included in the scheme. These are in addition to the general business audit and enabled us to apply for a certification in our specialist subject of managed services. Once we had signed up for the Accredit UK scheme, we were allocated an assessor who made contact and explained the process to us. This included introducing us to the self-assessment worksheet, which is central to the certification. There are around 90 business questions, 30 of which are key lines of inquiry, which you must show you have appropriate processes in place. There are then a further 30 or so for each specialism. Answering these honestly provides an excellent way of understanding what business processes are in place and working, and where you might need to spend some time prior to the external audit. The process itself wasn't particularly onerous. In fact, the directors found it a valuable exercise and made us realise just how much we'd achieved over the past 4 years. Having made the investment in gaining certification, the first company in Wales to do so, I am keen to see the scheme promoted to a wider audience, both into the Welsh SME sector and into the public sector. It should give customers confidence to use us as an IT services supplier, hopefully giving us a more competitive position with local businesses and the authorities. The real benefit to us, and indeed the wider Welsh economy, will be when the certification has been rolled out across Wales and the Accredit UK certificate is recognised as a mark of distinction and quality for IT suppliers, as I understand it is across the West Midlands. Participation in the SOAR project has been very beneficial to our business to date. We have run a number of events where SOAR have supported us, and we've also been given the chance to present at SOAR's own events. In addition to these, because our SOAR account manager knows many of the businesses and people we would like to provide services to locally, he's been able to make a number of new introductions for us. Our company vision statement is that M7 aspires to be the most innovative, customer-centric IT service provider in the UK. With the initiatives and creativity our business has shown over the past 4 years, I believe that we can continue to aspire to this vision.